Hello everyone. Today we'll be talking about sports accounting. What is sports accounting? Well, sports accounting and regular accounting are not much different from each other as they both have the same duties such as budgeting, managing payroll, and cash flow management. The only real difference between the both of them is that sports accounting has to adjust to the seasonal schedule of how their team operates rather than the tax schedule. How to become a sports accountant? You'll first want to go to a 4-year accredited undergraduate program. And along the way, you'll want to get internships, whether it's in accounting or sport management, just to get your feet wet. From there, you'll want to get your master's in accounting or master's in business administration with a focus of accounting. And from there, you'll want to get your CPA and become a certified public accountant. Some of the key responsibilities to being a sport accountant include managing payroll, filing paperwork, evaluating ways to improve profitability, budgeting, and cash flow management, like I said earlier. Some of the key skills to being a sport accountant include mathematical, technical, analytical, organizational, communication, and teamwork. Pros and cons of being a sport accountant. Some of the pros to being a sport accountant include free tickets to the games, working with your favorite sports teams. I know I really would enjoy that. And also a laid-back work environment. Now, with every pro, there's always a con. And so some of the cons to being a sport accountant include 40 hours a week. Competition for sport accounting jobs are very fierce, as right now there's not a lot. And you want to continually brush up on your skills and stay updated on accounting education, as that's really important to have. Now, as you see, this is Eric Blog. He's been a sport accountant since 2011, and he got his Master's of Accounting at the University of Georgia. And I emailed him, and he sent me a link to a website that he did an interview for, and if I had any further questions, just to email him. His favorite part of the job as being a sport accountant is that no 2 days are the same and how he has a variety of challenges that he gets to work on every day. Now, the second question, he broke his days down into seasons. So in the winter and the spring, they do preparation work for the upcoming season. And in the summer, he generates reports for the management team on how the season's going right now. And then in the fall, he does more reports to how the season went overall. And the last question was advice for sport accounting. He talks about how you want to identify organizations that you want to be a part of and build good relationships with to do well in the sport accounting field. The future outlook for sports accounting. By 2022, the Bureau of Labor projects accounting jobs to increase by 13%. So now if you want a shot in the sports field, you're going to want to further your education by getting your master's and your CPA. But it's not just that. You also want to have an extensive work experience in the accounting field as well, which is just as important. Now, in today's world of salary caps, merchandise sales, and contracts, accountants are the MVPs for sport franchises, as they are constantly looking for new ways to maximize profitability for their sport franchises to succeed in their world. As you can see, here are my sources, and I hope you guys learned a lot about being a sport accountant.